going, guys? Welcome back. This is going to be the start of a new series here on the channel. We are on Carroll, Iowa. Going to give you guys an equipment tour here, and yeah, let's get into it. So first off, in the main shed here, we got a TV370 skid loader. I've used this in real life, and I enjoy it, so figured why not use it in here. We got our main tractor here, the 8410, used for tillage and basically anything that we need it for. Be on that grain, or the gravity wagon over there. And then we got a 7300 chopper here with the hay pickup on the front for our silage needs. We got a silage box over there we're going to use on it. Then we got our John Deere 9650 for our harvest needs. Corn head here. We got our bean head, draper head. Got our cattle pasture over there. We got a hoop barn over there for our steers that we're gonna be raising here. We got our semi up there. Then we got our 2 grain bins here. We got a Meridian, a smaller Meridian, probably gonna be used for beans. And then our West Steel for our corn here. Bigger bin compared to the Meridian. But yeah, here's the hoop barn. Pretty nice hoop barn here. That'll be nice for our steers. Then we come over here. This is our shop area where we work on things. I got some stuff stored in here now. I got the hay equipment in here. I got this Heston mower, Farm King rake, our Massey baler, and our Massey 6614. Mainly our haying tractor. I'm not gonna really use it for much else. But yeah, I believe that's all the equipment. Let's go ahead and jump in the map here. So as of now, we own 73, which is I have it in Triticale right now. Then we got 74, 8, and 9. Those are all cornfields. We come down here, we got 29 in beans. Then we got all this grass ground in here that I'm going to use for some hay bales, I believe. And then we'll use Triticale for silage. But yeah, looking forward to this series, and hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Peace out.